All here where each thing seems its lonely self are figures of the soul transcendent to one. Only by him they are, his breath is their life, and unseen presence moves the oblivious clay. Here dwell at present the spirit's opposites. It is a peculiar world where we got. It seems a world of conflicts with tragic comedy being enacted constantly. It is a gold dome on a dragon face, on the dark dragon face. There is a conscious force that acts in the workings of nature in her breast. The clay images of the unborn gods are carried by the dark-throned laborers. The clay images of the unborn gods are carried by the dark-robed laborer. The patient executrix is busy in working out the ideas of the inevitable idea. She does see the dumb intention and hence attains to her task accordingly. It is her answer to the will that stands upon the heights and from there view the prospects. She is a preview to the great victory. There are promising stages, there are promising signs of the soul's immense uprise. This immense uprise of the soul is possible because there is the unseen presence. Because presence is there, though unseen. The presence works from behind. It moves the oblivious clay, gives shapes to it that they would breathe and think and yet go beyond. Express the word in the sense of its truth content and idea force. That unseen presence, the presence, moves the oblivious clay. That unseen presence, the presence, moves the oblivious clay. The substance that has forgotten its reality and its joy of expression of the truth that should rebuild it in its own nature, in its greatness. This stuff is not only oblivious of its own true nature and quality and the substance, oblivious of its true dharma, it is not only unmindful, not only unconscious, unaware of what indeed it is without remembrance or memory of its source, of its origin, its rich and glowing beginning. More than that, now whatever is built upon it, formed on its base, that gets affected by this absence of its memory, it induces forgetfulness in them. Life entered into matter, and she lost her glory and her majesty. She met an opposing antagonist answer. She met death. But even behind this forgetfulness of matter, there is the original awareness because of the secret presence, the hidden presence, a present though unseen. In fact, this forgetfulness has to be there. It is there designedly with a purpose, with a meaning, with a fulfillment. It is there designedly. Out of it shall arise the multiple awareness of its powers and potentialities, the powers and potentialities of the spirit, expressing itself in the creation.